Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have AMAZFIT Cheetah 2 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to force restart this watch. And the force restart could be useful if your watch is not working properly, something is not turning on, maybe something is not unresponsive, sluggish. You could try to force restart your watch and hopefully it will solve your problems. And I'm going to show you how to do it, of course. So let's get started. So to force restart our watch, we need to press and hold the back button right here and keep holding it until you see the AMAZFIT logo on the screen, which takes about 10-15 seconds. So keep holding the button. And once you see the AMAZFIT logo on the screen, you can release that button and wait until the watch is done booting up. As you can see, we're back in the system, and that's how you force restart this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.